Welcome to this video where I will be discussing some strategies to clear the CFA exam. The Chartered Financial Analyst exam is considered one of the toughest exams in the finance industry. It requires a lot of dedication and hard work to pass all the three levels. However, with the right strategies, you can easily clear the CFA examination. So here, let me discuss some of the strategies which are very useful to clear this examination. The first strategy is start early. The first and the foremost strategy to clear the CFA exam is to start early. It is recommended to start preparing for the exam at least 4 to 5 months before the exam date, although it depends upon individual to individual. This will give you enough time to go through the entire syllabus and revise all the topics. If we talk about the strategy 2 which you should go with, that is understand the whole syllabus properly. The CFA exam has a vast syllabus and it is essential to understand the exam format and the weightage of each and every subject carefully. The CFA Institute provides a detailed syllabus for each level and it is recommended to go through it thoroughly and understand it properly. And what you need to do? You need to focus on all the topics that carry more weightage, although focus should be on each and every topic, but you should give more and more focus onto those topics which have more weightage. Now, strategy number 3, prepare a study plan. Once you have understood the syllabus, the next step is to prepare a study plan. A well-planned study plan is crucial for clearing the CFA exam. Make a list of the topics that need more attention and allocate sufficient time to study each topic. Make sure you cover all the topics in the syllabus. If we talk about the strategy 4 which you need to follow, that is practice, practice and practice. So the more the practice you do, the chances to clear the examination increases. So we can say there is a positive correlation. So practice is the key to success in the CFA exam. Solve as many as practice questions as possible. The CFA Institute also provides a lot of practice questions for each topic and it is recommended to solve all of them and also attempt mock examinations to get a feel of the actual examination. Okay, so try to attempt more and more mock examinations. Now, the next strategy is revision. Again, it is very, very important. Some of the people feels that they have gone through the concepts once and now they understood each and everything. But it is not the thing. See, if you look at the same topic again and again, you will find something new. It means if you are doing it for the first time, if you are going through the topic for the first time, then the way you are looking at the topic is different. If you again if you read it the second time, then your approach would be different. If you look at it at the third time, then your view for the topic will be different. So like this. So try to revise more and more. And last but not the least, stay motivated. See, CFA exam curriculum is very vast. So it means it needs a lot of dedication and hard work. So you need to be motivated throughout the preparation. And surround yourself with like-minded people who are also preparing for the examination. Okay, so clearing CFA examination is not that much tough if you follow all the above strategies mentioned. So for regular update, like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel so you will get regular updates. Thank you.